Hey guys, welcome. It's Eric Roberts. Welcome to Worship the King and this YouTube channel where every day I'm breaking down some of the best songs, and today I'm doing the verse of This Is Amazing Grace, and you can always download this chart right down here for free. Also, while you're down there poking around, just grab the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So This Is Amazing Grace is very awesome song. It's very, at this current moment, very popular. I think it's like 1 or 2 on the CCLI chart. And I'm giving you all week a way to play it really easy if you're just on acoustic. All right, so the verse goes like this. Who breaks the power of sin and darkness, whose love is mighty and so much stronger, the King of glory, the King of all kings. All right, so basically what I'm doing is this pattern right here. Let me show you this pattern right here. It's just 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3. So it goes 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. And I'm palm muting this. And when I do this, it's very rhythmic and very percussive. If I'm talking to you as a very beginner, you just want to kind of focus on keeping it steady on the downbeat. You go. Not really moving my hand a lot, and I'm just going. Who breaks the power of sin and darkness, whose love is mighty and so much stronger, the King of glory, the King above all kings. So you can just do this very steadily. So it'd be like T T T ticka T T T ticka T T T ticka T T T ticka T. That'd be very steady, but if you want to get a little more advanced, you can get a little more like rhythmic with your palm muting. So I play like who breaks the power of sin and darkness, whose love is mighty and so much stronger, the King of glory, the King above all kings. I'm kind of hitting the guitar. No, I'm not telling you to hit. I'm not telling you have to hit the guitar, but you can feel a little bit more rhythmic, a little bit more percussive if you want to. If not, just keep it simple, keep it down. Hey, but anyway, all week I'm doing these videos. Make sure you get your chord chart download this week. This was kind of a shorter video, but I know that once you get this down, you'll be able to do this on many songs. Also, I invite you to talk to me about your church's worship band and our new foundations courses, which is for team, which is for your whole team, your whole church. If you're a worship leader, if you're young, you're trying to get your church going, or if you're just in there and you need more volunteers, we can help do that through foundations and through all the Worship the King courses. God bless you guys. I would love to talk to you about that and the Worship Guitar Bible Study, making a huge impact in your church. And it all starts with just a simple phone call to me, so you can book a phone call with me. It's not like Aloha Hawaii. Just book a phone call and we'll chat about it. All right, God bless you guys.